candle holder from Dollar General. It was $5. I'm probably going to take the candle holder out of the middle of it and put a flower or maybe like a little bird's nest and a bird inside it, and I'm going to paint it probably white. But I've been wanting a little bird cage to decorate for the spring, so I am going to give this one a makeover. I originally got this cute little terracotta bird to put in my spring bird cage, but he was too big, so I'm gonna put him somewhere else. But I still think I'm gonna get another little bird to put in the bird cage, but I wanted to go on and get this video out, so I used one of the little black birds I already had. But I'm on the hunt for another little terracotta bird like this that will actually fit in the bird cage. And then after I find that, I'll show you guys what the bird cage looks like with my original plan of having a terracotta bird inside the bird cage.